Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account. Let's open the Messenger mobile application and click on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Legal and Policies. As we can see, there is no option to deactivate our Messenger account here. If we want to deactivate our Messenger account, we need to deactivate our Facebook account since both are interconnected. To do this, go to the Facebook account and click on the three-dot or three-line switches at the top right corner. In the iOS version, you will find it at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and go to Access and Control. Next, select Deactivation and Deletion and click on Deactivate Account. Select the first option and click on Continue to Account Deactivation. Enter your Facebook account password and your account will be deactivated temporarily. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.